Coinrule versus HaasOnline, usage experience. In this video, we'll compare Coinrule and HaasOnline, two powerful crypto trading automation platforms. Links to both tools can be found in the description for further exploration. Whether you're a casual trader or an advanced user, this comparison will help you decide which platform suits your trading needs. Coinrule is a user-friendly, no-code platform designed for traders who want simplicity and automation without a steep learning curve. It allows you to create rule-based trading strategies using an intuitive interface. Beginners can easily start with pre-built strategy templates, while intermediate users can customize rules based on technical indicators, price triggers, or market conditions. Coinrule supports leading exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase Pro, making it accessible for most users. Key features include backtesting, real-time market updates, and a straightforward pricing model that scales with your usage. Coinrule is ideal for traders who want automation without diving into coding or complex algorithms. HaasOnline, on the other hand, is tailored for advanced traders and developers who require a high degree of customization and flexibility. This platform stands out with its Haas script programming language, which lets you create highly complex trading bots. It supports a wide variety of bot types, including arbitrage, scalping, and market-making bots, and integrates with over 25 exchanges, including Binance, Bitfinex, and Deribit. HaasOnline also features backtesting with historical data, paper trading, and advanced analytics, which appeal to professional traders who need robust tools for optimization. While it offers unmatched flexibility, HaasOnline does have a steeper learning curve and higher pricing, reflecting its focus on advanced capabilities. In summary, Coinrule is perfect for those who want straightforward rule-based trading with ease of use and pre-made templates. HaasOnline is better suited for experienced traders and developers who need granular control, custom scripting, and advanced trading bot options. Both platforms excel in their respective niches, so your choice will depend on your skill level and trading goals. Check the links in the description to dive deeper and find the right tool for you.